Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel, and take a look what I bought from my local flea market, and let's find out what is it. There is no name, no brand, nothing. It's maybe a copy of some original brand, maybe. I will search online to find out. I found it on eBay. Someone is selling this. It's a radio Johnlite. It says TV, radio, weather, channel, lights, video, satellite, untested. He's asking for $39 US. I got this very cheap from my local flea market for around $5 US. Alright, and on the internet you can find different types and model from this universal gadget, but most of them are Johnlite. That is the brand. Alright, let's test it. It have a radio, it have a black and white small TV with volume, choosing the band. Here you can choose the frequency. From this side, it's very nasty, by the way, very dust. It's like forgotten device, maybe for years. Here it says emergency alarm. You can choose the front light, the back light and the front light with these switches. And whoa, and in back there is a DC jack where it says that need DC input, DC 12 volts. Also potentiometers for adjusting the TV brightness, contrast, and bottom. Wow, this is probably the battery compartment. I can't open it. Come on, man. Yes. It needs 9 this size 1.5 volt battery, 9 of them. So alright, I have a 12 volt. I have a 12 volt DC adapter. I'm gonna plug in and test it. I found this DC 12 volt 1000 milliamperes or 1 ampere DC adapter that goes right here. I'm gonna plug in. Okay, turning on first the front light, which can be adjusted. Is this one? Nothing happens. Okay, this switch. Whoa! The first CFL tube have light on. 1, 2 of them. They are working. Alright. But the front light, it's not working. Maybe the light bulbs are broken. Emergency alarm. Whoa. It's not very loud, but it's working. Okay. It's very dirty and nasty. it needs a deep cleaning. I'm gonna do that maybe in next video and upgrade with lithium batteries. Maybe I want to make this thing completely functional, and it's a good camping gadget. I'm gonna turn on the radio now. Take a look, it's working. Just to find on FM. Yes, it's working. You can find stations, but I can't hold it because of the copyright. I can get a strike. Good, working. Okay, now I'm gonna switch to TV. Please work, please. I can hear the sound, but nothing on the TV monitor. No! It's working too! I'm gonna change the band, but there is nothing because everything now is digital. I need to maybe I can connect a Nintendo on this. Just letting you know, I collect small TVs. I love them. I bought from local flea market. Some of them are black and white, some of them are color. Good. Let's find out this light, why it's not working. Whoop. Okay. Does it work the bulb? Let's test it. Nope, it's not working. The bulb is dead. There is a second bulb, and this seems to be right, but it wasn't tied up. Okay, turning on. And it's flashing. All right. And for the second front light, I made this very simple using a LED, a resistor. Tight. All right. Put it back. Come on, man, work with me. Is it good? Yes. Turning on. And oh, my adapter. The adapter is powered off. Turning on. It's flashing. And the second one. Whoa! But it's losing connection. Or just burn out. And I need to make another one. Good. The flashing light is working. I need to replace the LED. The back light also working. Take a look. The radio is working. The TV is working. Everything is fine. Just need a deep cleanup. Maybe upgrade with the lithium batteries, rechargeable lithium batteries. Or installing a game so I can play on this thing while I'm camping. It's black and white, but doesn't matter. It's a cool retro and vintage gadget. I like it. And it's cheap. Please tell me in the comments what you think about this old and retro gadget with couple of functions. And I love these kind of gadgets and devices. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. That was all for today. See ya!